पहिले स्वादर इट इज अ ट्रॅजिक सिच्युएशन आणि इट इज अ ट्रॅजिक शॉकिंग इन्सिडंट जे काल शिरगांव जालें ती जात्रा आनीक 6 people have died आनीक टुडे जेन्ना आमी भितर गेले अबाउट 5 people आर वेरी सिरियस दे आर इंट्युबेटेड दे आर ऑन वेंटिलेटर आनीक अबाउट अनदर 12 people are there in the casualty receiving treatment. The doctors are doing their bit. पण म्हाका दिसता हुंय ना हुंय आज there has to be an inquiry. What was the cause of this tragic death जे लोकांनी जालें? It points out towards the administration. It points out towards whether measures were taken in place. जेन्ना ही जात्रेक म्हाका दिसता जवळ जवळ 20 ते 25,000 लोक जाता आनी कित्याक हें जालें इट इज एब्सोल्युटली टुडे वी आर द डॉक्टर्स आर ट्रायिंग देयर बेस्ट वी प्रे फॉर द स्पीडी रिकवरी पण हुंय ना हुंय चोयल्यार फिंगर्स पॉइंट वेदर डिजास्टर मॅनेजमेंट स्क्वॉड वॉज इन प्लेस वेदर इमर्जन्सी त्या वेळार थिंगा ट्रिटमेंट जाले वेदर hypoxia म्हणजे ऑक्सिजन जायना जावन हांकां several people lost their lives and several people are cases where they've damaged their lungs, fractures, injury to the hips. They are absolutely, people are traumatized, their relatives are traumatized. We stand in solidarity with all the people who lost their lives and with also the families. I mean, we inquired with the doctor. They are doing whatever is best. But as I said, another 5 patients are very serious. They are intubated. They are on ventilator. We pray for their speedy recovery. आज म्हाका दिसता this is a absolutely गोंयांत पयलेच पुसा हे भाशेन ट्रेजेडी जाता. Who has to be blamed? What has to be blamed? There has to be a thorough inquiry. But the fingers point out at the administration, whether the police followed proper administration or whatever. There has to be a thorough inquiry. Goenkar, we cannot lose lives like this. And definitely, I'm going to the Asilo and Bicholi as well. Agadista support system and whatever the chief minister and whatever the government has to give to the families who lost their lives. Anek easier inquiry जावपाकूच जाय. We have to check what is the cause, whether starvation of water, whether suffocation, whether कोण म्हणटा की कोण दांडेन कोणा shock लागलो. There are several claims. Who is going to do an inquiry? There has to be a neutral authority and people have to be booked.